Hello, my name is Tomas Ortega. I'm part of the team WFMG for the semester of Spring 2019, and today I will be going over the user story for the model wrapper. The code for that user story is WFMG 23. The product owners are Steven Luis and Dr. Miguel Alonso. First, let's look at the user story in Jira. The description of the user story is, as a model or plug-in developer, I should be able to derive a model from the base class so that a public user can visualize the results of the model and evaluate the results. The model objects should have the following functionality: saving and loading models from pickles, and being able to fit and predict data using the models. The acceptance criteria for this user story is: it must have functions for getting the data for the visualizations, it must have functions for running the model with new parameters, it must provide an interface for creating different kinds of models, univariate and multivariate, and the definition of done for this user story is: passes all regression tests, is integrated with the UI and passes all integration tests, and is able to be shown in a future demo during the review. In this user story, I implemented a plugin architecture for machine learning models so that developers working on a data science project can include new models into the architecture and develop them in a way that the view module can include them in the dashboard. Here we have the class for the models. We can see that we have a constructor, functions for getting parameters, functions for saving the models to a pickle file, and we have two abstract methods for predict and fitting the models. Those methods should be implemented in the subclasses. In this first iteration of the project, we have implemented three models. First, the Anima model, then the var model, and finally the random forest model. For this user story, I've also implemented the input stream handler class and the output stream handler class. The input stream handler class is used by the model class to load data for training. On the other hand, the output stream handler class is used to store data from the machine learning models. Each subclass that inherits from the WFMG model class needs to implement the fit and predict method. This was the user story model wrapper, and I hope that you have a nice day.